I have just finished building my Harley Benton TL-T DIY kit and even made some awesome upgrades. Does it sound good? Let's find it out. What's up, my friend Budget Tone Chaser? Welcome back to the channel for a different type of video. If you followed my full build series of the Harley Benton DIY kit, you probably saw that I made some upgrades to the kit, installing spare parts with the objective of getting an intermediate level guitar. After 40 days building it and 2 weeks playing the guitar, I can finally bring to you my full comment and honest review about this project. Want to find out? So stick with me. Let's take a look at some quick sound samples before. It is a pretty beautiful guitar. The tuning is really stable, and I am really happy with how comfortable it is for playing. Despite one issue with the G string on the nut, the kit came basically ready to play. Of course, when I changed the bridge for a not original one, I needed to guarantee the setup of the strings height and octaves, but anyway, it was pretty simple to do. Now let's talk about where this guitar shines most on the way it's now. The Wilkinson pickups are really hot pickups, which give you a really nice tone for playing blues rock. So if you're interested in playing things with the vibe of Status Quo or Rolling Stones, you have a pretty good result with this setup I have made. Take a look at how it sounds in a mixed context. Now I need to raise the biggest issue I found on this guitar. Luckily, I can say that the issue is not on the guitar itself, but actually on the bridge pickup. Unfortunately, this Wilkinson pickup is totally microphonic. And when I say it's microphonic, I totally mean it. If I touch my hands on the body of the guitar, it generates noise. Of course, the semi-hollow body combined with the bridge anchoring for the pickup generates a chain effect of vibration, which makes the microphonic behavior get even worse. Unfortunately, it's pretty annoying to have it like that, so I took the decision to make some upgrades and swap the Wilkinson pickups. With this change, I am actually increasing the cost of the guitar by only 20 bucks, so it should not be a deal breaker if we compare with the intermediate guitar's cost still. In a general way, I need also to highlight that if you do not like lightweight guitars, run away from this kit. The Harley Benton kits are already made with pretty light wood, and by the fact that this is a semi-hollow body kit, it makes it even lighter. I need to admit that it doesn't bother me, as long as it doesn't cause any neck dive, which is exactly the case here. The guitar is still pretty balanced and comfortable for my taste. I will not extend this video so much as this series was already pretty long. Let me know in the comments if you agree with my opinion and also share your thoughts on the current sound I am getting from this guitar. I'll be back to you once I have the upgrade parts in hand for a second round of sound check. Now, as always, if this content was helpful to you somehow, please consider subscribing to the channel, hitting the like button so YouTube can share this video with more people, and turning on the notification so you know every time I'll drop a new video here. I'll keep you with the review of the Wah Texas Pickup Specials clone, as it can be interesting to you somehow. I'll catch you on the next. Keep on rocking!